Drum roll. Guess what? It's my birthday. Did you know that? It's my birthday. It's today. Happy birthday to me. You don't have to say, I said it first. Yeah. Oh God, it's a new year. My new year starts today. It actually starts today, and I am so happy. I am so joyful. I'm +1 today. So, since I can't hear you guys say it to me, I'm gonna say it to myself. How about that? Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Give me a key. Not that one. I'll do it my way. Thank you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. How old am I now? That's you. Cheers to a whole new year of happiness, success, a lot of advancement, a lot of entrepreneurship deals, a lot of new blessings, and a lot of favor and grace to us all. Happy birthday to me and to us all. Cheers. If you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you drop that. Also, all this beautiful stuff you see over here are all from Afraba. So make sure you check out www.afrabaonline.com for more items, and make sure you shop till you drop. Why? Because it's my birthday. I'll see y'all later.